Hey, what's going on, beautiful people? What's going on? So, I am looking for five people. Five people. It could be more, of course. Five people that want to start their own business. Basically, a business to where you're learning different strategies, learning how to market online, learning different ways to be able to make an extra income. This is a beauty, health, and wellness company that is basically taking off. It's a movement. It's a black-owned company as well too, based out of Louisiana. And when I tell you, everything about this company is amazing. Everything about this company is amazing. We also have something called Go Life. Go Life is basically getting deals on travel, food, and hotels. Now that's a win-win right there. Like, who doesn't want to save money when they're traveling, eating, and doing different types of things as well too? And then on top of that, can get commissions for it as well too. I'm telling you, it's time to take those trips. It's time to be able to learn something different. It's time to network. And it's also time to make that money. This year is almost over. So it is now your turn, your chance, your opportunity to start a business. You will not be left alone at all. 90% of your business will be done with an app. The other 10% is based off of your efforts and the work that you put in. Do not make it harder than what it seems to be. Do not overcomplicate things when it's not to be overcomplicated at all. Trust me, if I can do it and show up every single day, guess what? You can do it. So guess what? I'm looking for you. If that's you and that's something that you want to give a try for at least 90 days and more, definitely comment below, DM me, get in touch with me, and I'll be glad to assist you on your journey. Talk to you later. Have a blessed and awesome day.